Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video. We're going to start on box number 2 of the mystery boxes, 5-pounder. Yeah. It comes in this FedEx thingy. And I know there's a pull tab here somewhere. Broke it off. Broke it off. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. This pack is reusable. If it's still in good shape, use it again for your next shipment. No, I don't think I will. Okay, well. That's supposed to open it, but it didn't. Oh, well. Alright, let me fiddle around with this. Oh, wait, no. Daddy knife. Daddy knife. Because, yeah, daddy knife. Uh-oh. Wait, I need to put it in a container, I think, so that we can get through it a little easier. This one's for sorting, and this one's for, hopefully everything will fit in it. And no. There's not a whole lot in here, really. So, we might be able to finish the week out with this, but after that, I don't know. We shall see. That goes there. This is... Ooh, that's different. Bijou Turner set. It's got a pair of little earrings. And then it has this. Bijou Turner. Nice. We'll do that one for 7. I don't know a lot about Bijou Turner. Oh, please tell me this didn't come off of there. Yep, looks like it did. Son of a monkey's uncle. This one is a big old earring. We'll put that aside. This is pretty. It's blue and sparkly. Do that one for fur. Aw, there's a little Scullies with sparkles. That's cool. It's got a Shambhala closure. Adorable. We'll do that for 4. This one came out of there. Hold on. It's a shame, too, because it's a beautiful yellow. Yellow. That. And then this. Are you bent? Yes, you're bent. Oh, no, now you're broke. Oh, dude. But you can still use these 3 pieces. And that piece. Beautiful yellow. Gorgeous. Alright, and for this broken one, I'll do 3. Oh, it's such a shame. So cute. I'm going to put that in a bag so it stays together with all its pieces. These look like eyebrows now. I'm sure you could figure something out to do with that. That's adorable. Oh, let's drop some in there. Hold on. That, no. Yep, we'll do that for 3, even though it's craft. Color my mood. Look at this. I'm in control. Ready for anything. Success is headed my way. Let's party. Making things happen today and renegade at heart. I don't know what brand these are, but they don't look like they've ever been used or taken off the card. There you go. But it's a set of 6 cube earrings. We're going to do that for $8. Very nice. Oh, we have a stretch. Seen better days. It's got a little bit of wear on the clasp. It's a nice clasp though. There's the other earring. Hold on. Found the other earring. This and this. I will do these earrings for $1. They are gunmetal. Very cool. And this I'm not sure. Is that no, that's just a ring. I thought it was a clasp, but it's not. It's a stretchy. We'll do that for $2. Oh, look at this one. It's a little heart bangle. So cute. And it's a neat, a good size. It's not marked, but it's a really nice one. It's a nice one. And it's 2.5. No, 2 3/4. That's cool. That's adorable. Gold tone. And it's in good shape. There's no wear on it anywhere. Sweet. We'll do that one for $5. So $5. Here's another one like this. Let's see. They kind of go together. So we'll put them together. Oh, there's another. Oh, no, that's not. Oh, look, another one of these. Hang on a sec. These are going to go in my... these are going to go out on my table for sale. On my little snaky fabric ones. I like this one because it's a dome. It's got some gold. This one's like flocked velvet. I don't know why, but I think these are cool. They will go out for sale in my big bin full of bracelets. Ooh, speaking of bracelets, hold on. Let me move in a little so I don't dump this. There we go. This is gorgeous. It is rose gold tone with little rhinestones. All the rhinestones are there. It feels lovely. It doesn't look like it's ever been worn. Is that a name? It might be. If it is a name, it's very tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. No, it looks like a little scratch. But this is gorgeous. It's a little big on me, so I'm going to say it would fit somebody that can get into a 3-inch. Because the gap is just a little too wide for me. I'm going to do this one for $8 because it's stunning. And it feels like really nice quality. There we go with that. This is a bangle that is gunmetal mesh applied on Applied on a bangle. Very nice. I like that too. That will do for 6. And this is a... Oh, look. It has a snap. Or something. Hold on. Oh, okay. You slide it forward and then... There you go. It's got that kind of a lock on it. Look at this pendant. It's very heavy and very lovely and very nice. And there's no name on it. What the heck? It's beautiful. It's got AB. It's got like an ice blue, pink, yellow. Is that green? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Feels wonderful. We'll do that one for 9. It's steel. It's a steel torque with a little pendant. Actually, no, I'm going to do that one for 10, just based on how it feels. What's this? I hope it's not falling apart. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Look at that pave rhinestones. And number 6 seed beads in a turquoise color. Oh, that's stunning. I've seen these with, they always have the wood, but this is really nice. They always have wood. This one I'm going to do for 9. I mean, look at that. It's stunning. Hold on, let me get it on. Beautiful. That's a stunner. All right. Beautiful. A lot of bracelets in this one. Speaking of which, here's another one. This one is cathedral beads with an AB wash, and it has a name. Something. Vintage 66, it says. From, tell me that's Alex and Ani. Infused with energy technology. So it is an Alex and Ani. Huh. Didn't know they did, that sort of thing. I don't know how much they go for. I'm going to do it for 5. Didn't know, do I? This is black and silver. Very 1980s. It's got black on one side, silver on the other. We're going to do this one for 5. Oh, there's another big hoop, another big hoop, another big hoop. Oh my goodness, big hoop. Big hoop. So, we have lots of big hoops in here. That one, okay, that one goes with this one. $2 for those. This one. I don't know what this is. Woo. Oh, yes, I do. It's a... Yeah. Oh, it's a marriage. Or maybe it's just 2. Okay, so it's... Put those over there. It's 2 plastic and number 6 bead rosaries. There's that one with the blue beads, and then there's this one with black beads and white core beads, and the cross on this one is hand done, and we will do those for $3 each. Here's a tiny little sparkly. Oh, this one bends really easy. That's kind of scary how bendy that is. We'll do that for $1. Dollar bill, y'all. This is a nice wire wrapped one. Don't know if we can find the other one, but it's really cool. This one's wrapped. It looks like it's brushed gold tone, but it's wrapped with a gold thread. That's interesting. This one is an anchor. Very cute. Clamper bracelet. I'll do that for $5. Here's an angel wing. Silver tone and acrylic feathers. There we go. We'll do that for $1. Oh, here's another one. This one is beautiful. Peace sign. We'll do that for $2. This one is handmade. It's got purple cup chain and it's wrapped with cotton thread and it has a knot closure. $1. Ooh, snaky, snaky. Oh, I love this. I love the chain, but I don't like the pendant. The pendant is red with tortoiseshell, faux tortoiseshell. And it does not have a name on it, but look at this chain. I love these with the snaky, snaky. It's not a snake chain. I don't remember what this one is called. But it doesn't have a name on it anywhere. It looks like it should have a name on it, doesn't it? So we're going to call this, we'll do $7 for that. Here's a pair of blue balls. We'll do those for, oh, look at the backs on them. Backs are different. Let's see. See if the backs have names on them. Yep, looks like they do. My luck, they're worth $1 million. Stainless steel. Wait! You dropped it. Stainless steel. And what else? Happy Backs. Okay, so that is just a brand of back. Happy Backs, I guess that makes them sit better. Ooh. Those are nice. I like the backs better than the earrings. Okay, we did little blue balls for $1. This has... Oy. Don't do this. It's caught. No, 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 no. Criminy. There we go. This one. That's pretty. Plain, but nice. Earring. This is another earring. Don't know what that's made of. That's strange. This is a nice little necklace. It feels like a Charming Charlie. It's resin. And it's got a little tassel and rhinestones in the center. Very cute. That's kind of neat. I'll do that one for $4. This is a necklace. A very cute little necklace. Looks to be 15 inches if lucky, if we're lucky. Hold on. I think this is a kid's necklace. Or a tween necklace. You know, prom jewelry. 16 inches. Cute with a little... Yeah, the gold tone looks a little worn out on that one. And it's, I'll do that for $1. It's $1, worth $1, about. Ooh, what's this? A broken something. It's all acrylic. Yeah, that'll go into the craft. Ooh. Crafty, crafty. I'm not even gonna hold that out for anything. Oh, what is this? This one's broke. Look at this thing. Look at this. Oh my goodness. What is this? That's very strange. This and that. And this looks like that goes to that. Oh, that's really different. It needs fixed. Looks like, wow, that's really, really strange looking. I don't know if there's anything missing from it. Really strange. That's going to go into the craft. Oh, look, stuff falling off. Stuff's falling off. That's really different. I like these little dangles. They're neat. That's the same kind of stuff as this. Same material. Resin. Okay, that's going... Oh, look, it's dropping... those. Okay, that's going in the craft line. That's a fun one. Yay, fun one. Oh my gosh, really? Oh wow, is there another one of these? Because that's hilarious. Look at that earring. God bless America. There's a little star earring. This is purple and magnetic. I do that for $1. These guys, I have no clue. Tell me if this is... This, I don't know what this goes to. Is it an ear? Oh, it is an earring. Oh, okay. And there we go. It's got some pink and some silver and some black and some pearls. Different. We'll have to see if we have the other one. This is fantastic. It has a turnbuckle. And it is lined on the inside with felt. In great shape. And it is positively... Oh, I love this. And it's exactly the right size. Actually, I would probably wear it with the buckle up. Buckle up. That is so nice. I'm going to do that one for $8 because that is stunning. And these are just glued on, it looks like. But they're glued on very well. They're really, really on there. That is stunning. There's some cool bracelets in here. Coolio. What's this? Things are stuck together. This is like a champagne color. I don't know if all of them are there. Let me look. Looks like there's a few missing. I'll do that for $1. That might be good for, you know, artwork. I always thought I might try doing that, but I don't have all the right things for doing that. What is this? Why are you... Yeah, there we go. Here's another Alex and Ani. This one is silver tone. Oh, look at these crazy beads. These. Yeah, they look like little wheels. That's crazy. We'll do that for $5 as well, since we did the other one for $5. This is stone. It looks like calcite. We'll do that for $1. $1. Oh, look, there's the other one. Hold on. Let me get it unmarried from this. Let's see. Oh, boy. This is what I'm trying to get out, and this is what it's attached to. Oh, look, a stoplight. Uh-oh. There we go. That and this, they're very cool. American flag earrings. We'll do those for $4. This is on another one of those snaky chains, a little slightly smaller, and it is crystals inside of cubed cages. That's kind of cool. I'll do that for $4. This one is quartz. We'll do that for $3. This one is kind of funky. No names. It's got 3 chains. Yeah, I'll do that for $5, I guess. $5. We got 3 more minutes before the time is up. Ooh, these are nice. Oh yeah, hold on. This is very nice. This has a knot jerked in it because somebody doesn't really know how to wear a lariat. Well, I guess you could do a lariat that way, but it tends to mess things up more than anything. All right, let's see. Let's get you all undone. See, this kind of chain should not be tied into a knot. It just shouldn't. Because it gets all kind of tangled up in it. And the loops get tangled up. You know what I'm saying? These are glass. These beads. So it's a nice weight. It's on very bright gold tone wire. And then the ends have beautiful rhinestone cups with little tassels. And if I can get the dang thing untangled, it's a lariat. Come on. Come on, kids. There's that. And then, come on. That. And then, there we go. Got it. Got it. There we go. So, oh look, it has a this. So, what I would do, actually, would be I would wrap one segment of this with wire so that it would hang like this. Like, yeah, you get the idea. That's a very lovely piece. Beautiful. gorgeous thing. We'll do that one for 10. Glass, beautiful glass. Oh, okay, we're going to stop here because we're at 30. And tomorrow I will be with Jen on Triple J and Crafts on YouTube for an auction starting at 6, I believe. Starting at 6 p.m., barring issues. I know Sunday she wasn't up to it, so we'll see how things go. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down there, and if you see something you can't live without, please do. Leave a timestamp in the comments of the item in which you're interested, but if you would rather, you could send that same information to my email, which is in my description. But if you do that, please include the title of the video and the date that it was posted so that I can find your items. And if you haven't bought from me before, include your name, address, PayPal email, and YouTube name. That way I can match up your names, get your items invoiced, and get them out to you as soon as possible. Remember that I love each and every one of you. And be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.